ever dressed up as a sandwich before? This is fun, don't you think? Hey, I wonder how come they call them sandwiches? There's no sand in them. Maybe a witch invented them. I'm scared of witches. I saw the Wizard of Oz and I cried and I cried and I cried all night. Oh, big walk is coming. I'm allergic to olives.